Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can import fonts to your CapCut PC app. So go to any font page to download like some fonts. I'm just going to download the Strawberry one. Start download, and I'm just going to open it. Open up the file and double click on the file that is like an open type or the other ones. It's like totally up to you like which one you want to open. It's the same thing. Then press install. Open up CapCut, close it. Okay, I meant like do not open CapCut yet, that's what I mean. Just like to restart it. Then open up CapCut. Okay. And it's called the Strawberry, so I'm just going to go to text, add in my default text, and I'm just going to type in the word hello. Then I'm going to go to font, put this like arrow up, and go to the system font, and you'll see all the fonts that you've basically downloaded. Mine is the Strawberry. I'm not sure if it's okay, it's here, but there it is. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!